Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a last in the series on the Lionel 8351. I've been up here in the train room all day today. I opened this box at, I don't know, around 2 or so. It's about 11:30 at night. I've been in here literally all day playing with this thing. Anyway, I've got the windscreen replaced. It was floating around inside the cab, and I just left it out until I got ready to finish this up. So I've glued the windscreen back in position, as you see, and I've added a second pickup. If you remember when I unboxed it, this one was missing. So I went through my parts, found one, and just added it to that truck. Made a tremendous difference in how this runs. And it's an interesting locomotive, there's no doubt about that. I can see why they cost 50, 60 bucks. Anyway, power is on. And there's 50% power. So it's running really well. Anyway, that pretty much finished it. I've got the new roller contactor installed. I've got the windscreen installed. All the repairs are done. It's lubed, it's tuned. It is running just absolutely splendidly. Anyway, again, it's a perfect way to demonstrate what I always say. Don't overlook the junk. $10.50 and I was the only bidder. So it was definitely worth the chance. And there was only 2 photos and virtually no description at all. But as you can see, it's running just absolutely perfectly. And that's 50% power, so it's that motor has loosened up substantially since I began. And like I said, I'll finish running it tonight. I'll probably run it all day tomorrow. Break it back in, get it used to running. Add some more lubrication. Do a bit more cleaning on those wheels. Scrape the contactors, and this is probably going to run the rest of my life. It's running just absolutely splendidly. And we already know it can pull a lot of weight. So I've got 10 cars on there now. And this is running really, really well. And you can really slow this thing down. Let's try that. See if it will maintain the speed all the way around. Looks like it. So it runs good at high speed, it runs good at low speed. It's smooth, it's quiet. Best of all, of course, the fact it was cheap. Okay, back to 50% power. Anyway, this will probably be the last video. You'll see it running, but probably the last video I actually do on this. So I had a great time today. Time just flies by when you're busy. And I was doing something to this or running it literally all day long. And as you see, it pays off. That is a really nice locomotive for $10.50. So it looks nice, it runs nice, and it was really, really cheap. Far from perfect, but it's worth what I paid for it, no doubt about that. Anyway, just the last video on the Lionel 8351. This thing is running just absolutely splendidly. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.